been a tech for 12 years. I've got 38 years with the company. Well, these doors I think are around 3 years old. And we have one door on the other end of the building. It's a roll-up aluminum Rytec door. That's probably 12 years old. They move so much faster than the old panel doors, which we have on the pull-out end. And these are just up and down, and the boilers run a lot less. I've noticed that just in these two doors here being new. So it's energy savings. Well, there's about 120 buses that pull out. You know, majority of them pull out like 3 different times a day. So these doors open and close all the time. Well, the lights work great. The driver can pull up and he can see them turn yellow, and he knows it's going to start coming down. And then it starts flashing red, and that's when it's moving. And so he'll wait till it cycles, and then it'll open up again for him. So it saves on drivers hitting our doors. The reason I recommend a Rytec door is they're easy to repair. There's not a lot of moving parts. And if they do get hit, you can, majority of the time, just reset the bottom, which is very easy to do.